Chef Myra's Kitchen with me, Chef Myra, where we make the simplest and delicious meals for you and your family. So thank you so much if you're a returning subscriber, always consuming my content. I do not take it for granted. Asante sana. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chef Myra. Kindly consider subscribing, join this great and wonderful family. Let's learn and share some recipes. On to today's recipe. As promised, I'm going to show you how to make some village vegetables, or kienyeji as we call it here in Kenya, in peanut sauce. And it's a simple and delicious meal, especially if you're making vegetables that are a bit bitter. Adding some peanut sauce to it will sure give it a nice twist when it comes to the taste. On to our ingredients. We will need already prepared village vegetables, tomatoes, onions, and our main ingredient, the peanut sauce. So these are just ground peanuts that have been roasted and ground. I have made a video on how to prepare the village vegetables. We'll leave a link in the description box. Kindly be sure to watch it. Let's get to it. First, we heat our oil. I'll be using about 2 tablespoons. Give it a few minutes for the oil to heat up before you add your onions. Stir your onions until they turn and become transparent. Add our salt. Keep stirring your onions. Make sure they don't get burned. Remember, we're looking for the color to go. And just as they're about to turn around, we will add our tomatoes. Make sure your onions are not burnt. So we'll just add our tomatoes. Our tomatoes are ready. So we want to add our peanut sauce so that now they can cook together before we add our village vegetable. At this point, you can add any spices you like Royco cubes, turmeric. Personally, I'll not be adding any spices because I want the natural taste of peanuts for my vegetables. So once you've incorporated your peanuts, you can now add your vegetables and they can boil together. Remember, we've already prepared these vegetables by blanching them. That's why they look like this. There's a video for that. Kindly don't forget to have a look at it after watching this video. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Look at that. It's coming along so well. So give it a good mix. Make sure the peanut sauce is all over your vegetables. And then we'll allow it to simmer just for a little while until it's well combined. This will go well with ugali. So we now cover our vegetables to let them cook. Reduce your heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Vegetables are ready. So we'll just remove them and prepare ugali. As I finish my ugali and kienyeji vegetables in peanut sauce, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and share this video so that many people can learn some Kenyan recipes. I'll meet you in the next. Adios amigos!